Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn German from Hindi and English. And as you can see, today's topic is Das Obst, means fruits. And this video I have already posted in Hindi language, and this video is made in for English viewers. So let's get started. So the first fruit is the banana. The banana means banana, and the plural is die Bananen. Die Bananen means bananas. Die Erdbeere. Die Erdbeere. Strawberry. Die Erdbeeren. Die Erdbeeren. Strawberries. Die Kirsche. Die Kirsche. Cherry. Die Kirschen. Die Kirschen. Cherries. Die Birne. Pear. Die Birnen. Die Birne. Die Birnen means pears. If you remember, I have already told this in my previous video that because this pears, we call the bulb also as yes, we call the bulb also as a glue birne because the bulb looks like a birne. Yes, so that's why the name, in case you remember bulb, so you can remember this fruit also, that they are having the same name, the birne and the birnen. Okay, jumping on to the next one. Here we have the heidelbeere. The heidelbeere means blueberry. The heidelbeeren. The heidelbeeren, blueberries. The kiwi. Yes, English is also kiwi, and plural is the kiwis. The kiwis. And in English, the plural is also kiwis. Easy, guys, right? Then we have der Apfel. Der Apfel means apple, and plural is the Apfel. The Apfel, apples. Die Traube. Die Traube, grape. Die Trauben. Die Trauben means grapes in plural. The orange. The orange, orange. Plural is the orangen. The orangen, oranges. Singular. Die Pflaume. Die Pflaume, plum. Die Pflaumen. Die Pflaumen, plums. Die Wassermelone. Die Wassermelone, watermelon. Die Wassermelonen. Die Wassermelonen, watermelons. Die Ananas. Die Ananas, pineapple, and plural is the ananas. The ananas, pineapples. In this case, we have singular and plural as the ananas. Then we have der Pfirsich. Der Pfirsich means peach, and the plural is the Pfirsiche. The Pfirsiche, peaches. The avocado. The avocado means avocado. They are same in English. The avocados. The avocados, and in English also the plural remains the same, avocados. Okay, then we have the grapefruit. The grapefruit, and in English also we call it same as grapefruit, but in some parts of Germany you can also hear the fruit named as the Pampelmuse. The Pampelmuse, and the plural will be the Pampelmusen. The Pampelmusen. And in English we have grapefruits. The grapefruits. Then we have the fig. The fig. Fig. And in plural we have the feigen. Sorry. The feigen means figs. The plural form. Then comes the apricot. The apricot. Apricot. The apricosen. The apricosen. Apricots. Mostly this fruit you get in India as in the dry form. You do have this as a fresh fruit, but you get these in the supermarkets as the dry ones that are mostly imported. Also, I have seen mostly this fruit as in dry form, and from this country, Turkey. The Turkey apricots, and they are mostly dried. You can soak them and use them in the morning time. So these are the apricots. Okay, let's moving on to the next slide. Now we have the papaya. The papaya. In English also we have papaya, the papayas, and papayas in plural. So this also remains same in English and in German. Then this is a fruit that is mostly I have seen this in Germany, and okay, I'll first read out the name: the Himbeere, the Himbeere, and the Himbeeren, the Himbeeren, raspberry and raspberries. So this fruit is my favorite because I used to eat a lot of jam from this fruit, and jam in German, jam is known as Marmelade, die Marmelade. And I used to have this fruit as jam, and also this fruit you will see mostly in muesli. Yes, the blueberries and himbeere. Then you have these fruits in the dry form in muesli also you will find it. So just for information I'm telling you, because I really like this fruit. It's like little sweet and little bit sour in taste. Then we have the melone, melon, the melone, and plural is the melonen, the melonen, melons. Der Granatapfel, der Granatapfel, Pomegranate, die Granatäpfel, die Granatäpfel, Pomegranates, die Brombeere, die Brombeere, Blackberry, die Brombeeren, die Brombeeren, Blackberries, die Passionsfrucht, die Passionsfrucht, Passion Fruit, die Passionsfrüchte, die Passionsfrüchte, passion fruits. So guys, that was the video on fruits. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, then please like it, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and also the bell button, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Cheers.